Normally, our car uses a key door, but sometimes the car doesn't work. Let's connect directly. Encountered this situation, we can fix it at home. Start with this pure copper 1 button. Connect him. This is a pure copper touchpoint button. Give him big post after, small post after. The original start cable can be removed. You can also not remove it. Press and start the car. Of course, it's very short. You can connect to long wires into the cab. Connect with these 2 lines. The line should not be too thin. Did the old irons learn?